Okay, now I just finished my jogging, sitting at a park's bench. And you can just spend a moment to cool down and simply observe everything. This type of meditation practices, you simply enhancing your connectedness. I think that's the a perfect word or a good description. You are enhancing your own connectedness to your surrounding, and thus improving your own connectedness to yourself. I think as you practice by simply appreciating, I mean, it seems like there's not much to it, but believe me, if you practice daily, consistently, just spending a moment. I mean, if we have time to do many things on our daily basis, I'm sure we have time just to sit down or take a walk and simply observe. I mean, if your mind is busy, just observe your mind being busy, and see how that feels. If you just let it be, you will start to notice how connected we are to everything else, and how we feel inside as well. And I think by doing that, you will gain some insight, whatever they may be. It's a very simple act, and it's a great way to start if you always wanted to learn how to practice meditation. Just take a walk, sit down at the bench with not much intention, but simply observe. Right now the wind is blowing against my body. I'm seeing things on the ground moved by the wind, leaves. And there's a chicken there, if you can see. There's a chicken there. That's it. As you enhance, you start to gain an understanding about yourself, and then I think it will lead you to a better journey. I hope you like it.